Hi, I'm Spektral, and here's an indie game dev tip for you. Test early, test often. Playtesting is an essential part of game development, as it can help uncover design flaws and bugs. Some people playtest in the form of test phases such as alpha and beta tests, but often it can be beneficial to start playtesting when you only have a working prototype of your game. Getting feedback from players this early can help you understand what expectations different players have and can also give you new ideas to what changes are necessary to make the quality of your game even better. When making an indie game, especially as a solo developer, you can often end up with tunnel vision. You might think your game's user interface looks great and feels intuitive, but other players might not feel the same way. It's important to remember that the players are the ones who are going to experience the actual game, and that they are the ones who will pay money for the experience. That's why it's important to let different players test your game, as it might uncover critical things that you've been overlooking, and the earlier you fix these flaws, the less resources you will need to spend on changing them later. So then, how can I playtest early? There are many ways to do early playtesting, and one of these is to get your family members or friends to test your game. Try to get different types of gamers, such as casual ones and hardcore ones, as they might uncover different things, and let them test the game without you interfering with their gameplay experience. They should comment out loud their feedback as they experience something worth mentioning, and as the game developer, you should take notes of these comments and of your own observations. After you have used their feedback to shape your game accordingly, do a new round of playtesting with the same players to see how they react to the improvements you've made. This time, you should also let new players test your game, as they are less biased towards your game because of it being a fresh experience, and they might uncover new flaws. So in conclusion, don't be scared to let other players test your game early in development. By playtesting early and often, you might find defects that urgently need improving. In the long run, this can save you a lot of resources and improve the overall experience of your game. By playtesting early and often, you can then increase the chance of your game being successful and well received. Thanks for watching this video. I'd appreciate it if you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more indie dev tips.